Wow. You can call it one of the best sunsets in the world, rather, I would say, on the beaches, in Bali, Indonesia, you'll see sunset, and this is so marvelous. It reminds me of Bali, Indonesia. Oh, with my friends, it reminds me of the memories. Wake Rinpoche, yogis, Harlan, Tiger, then Tiger Amin from Denmark. Oh, marvelous. All the yogis, they'll be landing here. Already started. And most welcome to enjoy Samadhi here. This is the place. Mother Nature is very, very conducive here for going in Samadhi. On the other side, you see, there, Kartar Asra Old Age Home. You can meet scholarly people here, retired officers, doctors at Kartar Asra Old Age Home in the premises of Gurdwara Gursagar Sahib. So we welcome you here. Life is like a water bubble, without wasting our time, let's strive for the liberation, salvation. So here, by the grace of the Almighty, Gurdwara Gursagar Sahib, this old age home is my abode. Could be for years, could be. So here we are, Kev Yogi Vinodanand Solar Powered Humans, California. So join us to experience Samadhi. And yoga is deep ocean, sky is the limit again, I say. Try to go deep down. Within weeks you can reach Samadhi, beach Samadhi. Near beach Samadhi, when you go to Samadhi Pad in the sutras of Patanjali, in their beach Samadhi, you have to, this body drops down, except avatars. Only avatars or the masters, great masters, as I am here, Shri Guru Gobind Singh Ji, then our avatars, Ram Ji, Ramchandra Ji, Krishna Ji, and all the Godheads, you can say, Prophet Muhammad and Jesus Christ again. Try to go beyond, above religions. I still remember, again, I salute, it's a message of gratitude even to my Muslim friends. Harlan Tiger from California, Amin from Denmark, then Ludi. Sometimes they, out of fun, they go to, they sometimes change their names also. Number of my Muslim friends, they have mastered the topmost kriyas of yoga. Serve the humanity. Let's take the whole humanity out of the marsh of these very trifling things, Beyond dualism, God is same. So nobody remains to be taught or the teacher. They become Apeg or Chela, be a soldier. Like Shri Guru Gobind Singh Ji, Sant or Sipahi. Be a soldier. Come on, join Indian Army. Message to the Indian young youth. First be a soldier, be on the tanks. You'll have the feeling of as you're riding lion. I recollect my memories of Vijayan tank, then Sherman tanks in 1965. We reached up to Ichogil Nagar, 5-6 regiments. We just penetrated into the enemy's area, up to Ichogil Nagar. This is bravery. Again, Satnam, Shivaguru, Vaheguru Ji ka Khalsa, Shivaguru Ji ki Fateh. My father had been to army, 5-6 regiment at Amritsar. Then, Amritsar, दुख भरनी बरी देसी घ्यो दा कड़ा खादा हुण ताईं गरजदा तुहाडा वीर सतनाम शिवागुरु. Again, not for egoism. As doctors put their degree, it's no egoism. If you are a surgical specialist, no harm in writing. If you are PhD, so like this, your brother 65, just to promote yoga. Yoga is to remain young all the time. Satnam Vaheguru. Come to this place, learn the rarest of the rare, top yogic kriya, strive for the best. ਸਾਡੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਉਹ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਗੰਦੇ ਨਾਲੇ ਵਾਂ ਮੱਛੀਆਂ ਨਾ ਫੜੋ, ਮੱਛੀਆਂ ਫੜਨੀਆਂ ਸਮੁੰਦਰ ਮਾਂ ਫੜੋ ਫਿਰ. Shark, be a tiger, be a hunter. Om Namah Shivaya, Satnam Shivaya Guru. Sacrifice, valor, again I repeat. Bravery, it goes hand in hand. Yoga, this is yoga. Not merely folding your legs upside down, gymnastic and circus, like monkeys jumping. That is good up to a level. The real yoga is here. See, Gurudwara Sahib. Here, the horses, galloping of horses. Even now, I can feel the vibrations of my Dilawar. Oh, my horses, Dilawar and other. Oh, the Nihang sings, be brave, be a fighter, be a soldier also. Join Indian Army. Your brother welcomes you, K. Yogi Vinodanand, Solar Powered Humans, California. I salute Vagrant Poche. Oh, who gave me the exposure of the Western world. I owe a lot. So Westerners, Americans, oh, don't fly to and fro just like, oh, simply join Vagrant Poche and enjoy Samadhi. Being a yogi, me, Hatha Yogi, I am learning a lot from him. Om Namah Shivaya, Jai Mahakal.